In nature, foods contain enzymes that help you break that food down and pull all the nutrients out of that food. It's kind of like the food you're eating is helping you break that food down. The problem is when we heat or process our food, it kills those enzymes. Now, the good news is that our body has a stockpile of enzymes that can be used to help break these foods down. We also have enzymes that are meant for other purposes that the body can convert into digestive enzymes and help us break these cooked or processed foods down. The other problem is that if you use a food and convert it into a digestive enzyme, you're taking away an enzyme that was meant for another purpose. So another purpose may be problematic now, and it may not be completing that function because that enzyme was used for something else. There are also different types of enzymes that help us break down different types of foods. Amylase is an enzyme that helps us break down carbohydrates and turn those into sugar molecules so the body can use that glucose. Lipase is an enzyme that helps us break down fats, and protease helps us break down proteins and turn those proteins into amino acids, and that's basically the building block of the whole body. The body can't use chicken to rebuild muscle tissue. It has to break it down into amino acids, and those building blocks can be used to rebuild organs, tissues, and all the things that make up your entire body. Other enzymes like lactase are used for specific types of foods like dairy. Lactase helps us break down dairy products. If someone is like lactose intolerant, for some people that can be an issue of not having enough of that lactase enzyme. So they may want to supplement with an additional lactase enzyme to help them correct that intolerance. It's important to understand how crucial digestive enzymes are, but that doesn't mean that supplementing with digestive enzymes is going to be enough to fix a major digestive issue. I see people all the time promoting using digestive enzymes to fix things like bloating or constipation or other digestive symptoms. And the reality is that that's only going to help if a person is right on the fence and they just need a little bit of help or a little bit of a boost. But for most folks who are dealing with these digestive symptoms, they're going to need to fix some underlying causes, and then the digestive enzymes can just be a little bit of a boost. We also don't like to see people take an unlimited amount of digestive enzymes, like a lot of enzyme manufacturers will say is a good idea to do, because a lot of these enzymes are made to break down protein, and a lot of our tissues are made of protein. So if a person's dealing with a specific imbalance that can cause excessive tissue breakdown, then taking a lot of these digestive enzymes can just magnify that imbalance and make the problem a whole lot worse. For most people, just taking 1 or 2 digestive enzyme capsules per meal is plenty, and that's really all you need.